Let's make the RGX blade. For the past week, I've been working on a model to make this build happen. Now I just need to separate the parts, wait for everything to process, and then load all the files onto the 3D printer. Even separating it into 3 batches, each one will take over 12 hours. First we have the 3 blade segments along with the base handle, and then I printed out all of the smaller layered segments. I just had to remove supports and clean everything up, and then it was all ready. I started with a few select parts that needed to be glued before any sanding could happen. I also cut up a metal dowel to be used for extra strength inside the blade. With these steps done, I could start sanding the parts. Although a few areas needed manual sandpaper, I found that most of it could be done with my table-mounted orbital sander. One of my final steps was to put primer filler over all the parts to smooth everything out. Next I add splashes of color in the form of black, green, and silver. And then finally I can grab all the parts and glue and assemble them all together. And then after weeks of work, I have the RGX blade from design to reality.